Today I'm going to tell you how to delete Facebook account. For this you just have to open your Facebook app. Just open it and here tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap there and now scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Just tap on it, then tap on settings. Now tap on account centers. Just tap on it. Scroll down and look for personal details. Here's that, just tap on it. Now tap on account ownership and control. Now the second option, deactivation or deletion. Here select your Facebook account. And now you have two options, deactivate your account and delete your account. You just have to choose the second one and then tap on continue. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. Thank you very much for watching the video.